guys, and today we're gonna unbox this stacking pots which I bought from Primark and rating it because I don't know, I just bought it for fun, just to show you guys your Primark stuff like toys and slime. And the slime is, I think this is slime, yeah, see, so it has sparkles which you can put in slime, sand and fluffy slime. Let's see how this goes. Oh, what kind of thingy is this? Oh, look how pretty these are. These remind me of Sakura. But yeah, can you all see that? It's oh my god, look at that. You can see that's what reminds me of Sakura. But yeah, okay. But I don't think I'm gonna put this in the slime because first I have to see the quality. And yeah, well, for this first one, I would give it a 10 out of 10. This is so cute. But I'll give you the overall after I'm done seeing all of them. Okay, this slime is like a green. Oh, it feels rubbery and it's really cold. Look at this. Let's check the stretch. Oh, it has no stretch. It's like very rippy. You know, let's also do a poke test after we're done testing this thing out. Let's at least try to get some clicks. Oh my god, that feels so uncomfortable. Let's at least try to get some pops and clicks. Okay, that was only a tiny bit. The clicks and pops is probably a 1. But actually I'll give it a 2 because I like the sound of how it did. But it is not any. Let's do a little poke test. I'll zoom it in so you can see. Do you want me to zoom in? Can I zoom in more? Yes, I can. Maybe a little bit more. No, I can't. That's still a bit. Actually, I'll get some better quality. Just give me a second. Can you see that now? Okay, now I'm going to zoom out and show you. Look at that, so rippy. The poke test was a 1 out of 10, and overall for this slime, it is a 3 out of 10. So this hasn't bring me any satisfaction, so I guess I'm not going to go and put in this glitter. But I don't know, let's actually put some in and see how it goes. Only some, because I want to keep some for like some other time. Let's see if the glitter makes it a little bit better. Something. Hopefully it does something good to it at least. Oops, it's going everywhere. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that's actually satisfying. Okay. Okay, I like the crunch. I'm just gonna pick up all of this glitter. And if this doesn't work out, I might have to actually, what I'm gonna do after this video, I'm gonna go and take out all of the things because I don't think this will go too well. I mean, okay, it's looking nice, but not as good. It's so beautiful, look at that. But it's kind of just like, it's pulling it all over my hand. Not all over, but I will start doing that. Okay, I mean, it's good. I might actually keep these in. I mean, it's good, but not the best because it's still rippy. Oh my god. I just did that to see it all. Oh my. Yeah, this is kind of a mess. But I will fix it at some point. Let's get on to the next one because I've been spending too much time on this. The rating is a 3 out of 10, like I said before. I just got carried away, I'm so sorry. But let's go to the next one. Oh, did we do, we forgot to do a pod test. Let's do one. It's still the same, but it's a little bit softer. I'm saying because of the charms. They're really pretty. And they added like some crunch to it, which makes it good. I'm doing a poke test for all of them except for the glitter. Or the sparkles. Poke test. Just gonna zoom it in. Poke test, oops. I'm literally looking the wrong, oops. Whoop. It's so hard to pick up. It's some poke test off camera, but I still don't understand. So I'm just gonna do some more with you guys. If you like this one, and if you want me to do a ASMR, you can just comment. Okay. Wait. Can you hear that? Yeah. I like the poke test is pretty good, but it feels hard. Wait, no, never mind. I'm gonna do a ton off. Yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna poke my finger just to make it a little smooth. I know it might seem crazy, but maybe if we can add this sparkles. I'm not sure though. It's pretty good. Just gonna dump it out of the pot. Okay. Oh, it feels like it actually feels like kinetic sand. What if they took it off from kinetic sand? They took off the secret recipe to kinetic sand. Look at that. That's exactly like kinetic sand. Just a little bit less stretchier. Yeah, I don't know. Let's put some sparkles. Oh my god, the sparkles don't even stick in. Wait. They're not even sticking. So I had like some, I'll show you. I had like some right here. Let me show you. Oops. See, if I pick it up, it doesn't really pick up properly. All it does is get that. Yeah, see that? That is good. But this is way better than slime, in my opinion. In my arrogant opinion. This is really soft, and this has made some satisfaction in me. It indicates good satisfaction. The next one is fluffy slime. I have had some type of fluffy slime which kind of looks like this. It was really bad, but I'm not sure if this is like gonna be the same type. Oh, never mind, it's the same type. It is the same type. I'm just gonna pull this out, just give me a second. This is like so hard to pull out. And you can see how rubbery this, I mean, like, stretch is good, okay? But overall, it's just bad. It just doesn't make it good. Let's do a poke test real quick. Oh my god, do you hear the squeaky sounds? Oops, it has some sand. Let me go for another stick. Let's get another stick. I think I have another one. Yes, right here. Do you hear how rubbery is it? It would make like some squeak sounds. I just don't like it, okay? This is the last one, by the way. I'm gonna miss everyone. I'm about to end it. Oh, end the video. Okay. I mean, the stretch is good, but it just hurts my nails. It's like it's damaging my nails. Let's go and poke it in with my nails. So let's see how it's like whatever, how it's like feels. Okay. I mean, that isn't too good. This is a 2. I don't know how, but it's lower than slime. Overall, drum roll please. The whole thing is a 4 out of 10. I haven't counted the totals. I'm not like giving it by the totals. I don't think I even counted the totals. So yeah, I think the total was like more than 3. I don't know. what I mean by like total is like the whole ratings that I've given him, but like all added up together. I've not done it like that because I give this one a 10, this one a 3, which is 13. This one I forgot. Oh, I didn't even give a rating, 6. So that's 19. This one is a 2, so it's gonna be 21. 21. Oh, sorry. So overall, this is a 4 out of 10. So yes, I don't really like this one. I was saying, watch out for slimes. They could be bad. Like I bought this one was from Primark. And yes, I don't really recommend Primark slimes, but the clothes are amazing. I shopped at Primark just like yesterday. Oh my god, I need to close this up properly. But make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.